So welcome to DOREEN'S African Experiences. And so the previous video I showed you how to choose electric equipment, you know, when you're going to wire the house. And in this video I'll basically take you around, give you a tour of my electric wiring so that you can check it out. Yeah, and I got a bunch of questions about the issue of the customer is not always right. What people have to wake up to is the realization that this is a two-way street. It goes both ways. Sorry, it goes both ways, and as much as you want respect, you must give it. You can't just demand respect when you're not giving it. Yeah, client or not client, you have to respect people. Also, a bunch of people that run businesses have zero customer service. So there is also that. You see, there is the concept where you frustrate a client and they're so exhausted by you and they retaliate by being rude. You get what I'm saying? It's a two-way street. We all have to respect each other. As much as you want people to respect you when they come to your business, you must as well respect them because they brought you some money. Yeah. And yeah, basically that's all I have to say. And let's enjoy the video of the tour around, you know. Let's enjoy the video. So going through this video, I'll be explaining to you a few things that could be of use, of help. Number one, before you wire your house, both water and electric, you must study your house and understand exactly what you need. The first thing, you have to know whether, or rather where you want the sockets, where you want the switches exactly. It has to be convenience because this is for your own good. The other thing you should know or keep a lookout for is what exactly do you need? Do you need a two-way or two-gang? You know, when someone says two-gang or two-way, when it's a two-way switch, it means you can switch on from different directions of your convenience, and you can also switch off from different directions of your convenience. It's really up to you. So that's very important. You have to, this is exactly when you want to choose this. Yeah? You want to choose this then, here, in the now. The other thing, like the lady talked about, it's imperative, yeah, to plan ahead. Yeah, when it comes to these things, you don't just wake up and say, I want the switch here. No, you should know. And yes, be wary of nails on sites. They're very dangerous, really dangerous. The other thing you must do, or you have to try and do, is put together a team of very experienced people to do this kind of job for you. Because you don't want someone to do for you faulty wiring of any kind, be it water, be it electric. There are some aspects in your house where you shouldn't cut corners. This is one of them. Yes, this is, in fact, when you're building, during construction, you have to endeavor not to cut corners because cutting corners is only going to affect you in the longer run. Some things you do now and you don't realize, but going forward, this thing is going to affect you. Anyway, the other thing, yeah, is you must have certain tools on site, you know, like chisels. And if your holes are as hard as mine, you need some hammers. And we have a wall chaser. And because we didn't have electric on site at the time, and the generator guy was quite far, and the day had begun, we couldn't put it in practice. But I'll show you how it works eventually. Some of these tools only make your job slightly simpler. And when these people cut through your house, bridge it back. Yes, you have to bridge it back. And by the way, this particular process you have to do before plastering. Yes, before. It's safer that way. Thank you.
Socket here. It's a double socket, more of like a double, 2 plugs. And shit, this is a solid. Let me find a way around it.
Ekisigaliridde
No, kino ki?
kino eno egenda kukola amazzi agavuwame agagenda wano gaiwe mweno gatuwaliwo ewali eri.
Okay. So kati eno sink.
Tugambye sink yagenda beera.
Alright, thank you for watching. Yes, thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, and share. And going forward, the next video is going to be about what you see right behind me. Yeah, that's the boys' quarter. So I'm going to try and sum it up and then give it to you. It might take about 2 videos, but yeah, I'm going to break down a few things for you. I learned. Every day we learn. Every single day we learn. Every day we walk, we learn. Every day we out here, we're learning. We educate ourselves, we listen. By the way, it's very important to listen. You must listen to what people are saying. Whether you like it or don't like it, whether you like the person or don't like the person, listen. Because somehow, everyone has something important to say. Something that could add to you, something that could emulate you or emulate them, or, you know, you could learn something from everyone. Just learn to sieve knowledge. Pick out what you need and then ignore what you don't need. But whatever everyone says has some meaning to it. Yeah, so let's subscribe, please. Have a beautiful week, and thank you.